If you're buying or selling a home, you know you have to call those Callaways because they're going to be the people that help you out. And of course, once again, we have with us Kelly Callaway.
Hello.
How are you?
Wonderful. How are you?
Good. And I know you have an amazing home for us today.
I have a really, really great home. It's in a gated subdivision. It's in Highline Manor. It's a mountainside custom-built home.
Oh, nice.
It's absolutely beautiful, but the way they built the home is amazing. It's a four-bedroom, 4-bath home, 55 square feet.
Oh, nice.
But it was built in 2000.
Uh-huh.
It has omni-block construction with additional 2 inches of exterior foam. It has Pella triple pane windows with sunscreens and tilt shades. Knotty Alder doors and cabinets, open concept kitchen. The kitchen has everything from granite on. It's an amazing house. Even down to the garage floors are beautiful epoxy. I mean, you know, it's from start to finish in this home. You can tell it was a custom dream.
Oh, okay. And the big question, what's the price on this?
This one is $950,000.
That's a great deal for that home.
It is amazing with all the finishes they did in this home.
All right, it's a perfect dream home for somebody, so they definitely need to call you.
Yes.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.